There is no scientific evidence to suggest that blue lights specifically occur during earthquakes. Reports of unusual lights or luminous phenomena associated with earthquakes have been documented in folklore and anecdotal accounts throughout history. However, these reports are often attributed to various optical or atmospheric phenomena rather than directly caused by the seismic activity itself. Some possible explanations for these lights include piezoelectricity. Certain minerals, such as quartz, can generate an electric charge when subjected to mechanical stress. This phenomenon, known as piezoelectricity, could potentially occur during an earthquake as rocks and minerals undergo intense pressure. The electrical charge generated might create luminous effects in the surrounding atmosphere or along geological faults. Triboluminescence. Certain materials, such as crystals or rocks, can emit brief flashes of light when they are subjected to friction or impact. This phenomenon is known as triboluminescence. During an earthquake, the intense shaking and grinding of rocks could potentially trigger triboluminescent effects, resulting in brief flashes of light. Electrical discharges. Earthquakes can induce the generation of electrical currents due to the movement of rocks and the deformation of the Earth's crust. These currents might create electrical discharges or ionized gases in the atmosphere, leading to luminous phenomena. It's important to note that these explanations are still hypothetical, and the occurrence of earthquake lights is not well understood or widely accepted within the scientific community. The phenomenon remains a subject of ongoing research and investigation.